Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Shopify product images with bulk tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Shopify product images in bulk, start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the products section in the left-hand menu. Here, you will see a list of all your products. Select the products for which you want to download images. You can do this by checking the box next to each product. If you want to select all products, use the checkbox at the top of the list. Once you've selected the products, click on the Actions button. From the drop-down menu, choose Export. This will open a new window with various export options. Select Current Page to export only the products you've selected. Alternatively, choose All Products if you want to download every image. In the Format options, select CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. Click the Export Products button to generate the CSV file. Once your export is complete, you'll receive an email with a link to download the CSV file. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Locate the column labeled Image SRC within the file. This column contains the URLs for all your product images. Copy the URLs from this column. Now, use a bulk download tool to collect these images. There are several free and paid tools available online for this purpose. Paste the copied URLs into the bulk download tool of your choice. Follow the tool's instructions to start the download process. The tool will now retrieve and download all the images automatically. Once the download is complete, check your designated folder for the images. You have now successfully downloaded Shopify product images in bulk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.